this over here. Hello, YouTube. Okay, so far so good. All right. Let's see. Go ahead and work on the editor thing. I'll just do like some maps or something until we get a question. But yeah, hello, Pro here, and we're going to do some RPG Maker Q&A. Sorry, but I must say hi. Oh, I love that, by the way. That's awesome. Also, hello there. Sorry, but I must say. Sorry, but I must say I love your name. Got him. All right. Hey, what you gonna make? So this is a Q&A session. So basically, until I get a question, I was just gonna kind of like randomly do like some mapping stuff. But if you have a question, go ahead and ask, and we will try to make it happen. Also, hello, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Zilba Olsen. Let me know if the quality is bad, and if it is bad, well, I'll try to fix it, I guess. I don't know. I was gonna say something cheeky, but then it didn't work out too well. Can you try my game? Not during this stream, but I probably could during one of the streams. What's your game about? Let's see. Drama and horror? That's awesome. Parallax or oh, definitely Parallax. 100% Parallax. I would. Yes, Parallax is Bay. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and do some parallaxing. Save his image. Gimparoonie. Macaroni. Data, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Let's go ahead and open up this Parallax. So, I guess I'll go ahead and just kind of turn this into like a little like a little parallax tutorial thing. Made my own music to it and saw my own drawings and my own tile sets. I got full on dyslexic there, but okay. Made your own music. Okay, see, that's awesome. What'd you use? Did you use FL Studio? FL Studio is pretty dope. Where in the world are the maps saved again? Oh yeah, there you go, map images. GIMP does not like scaling. That's okay though. Alrighty, so the first thing with Logic Pro. Oh yeah, it do be like that. Logic Pro is good too. Logic Pro do be good. That's one from Sony, right? Like Sony made Logic Pro, I think. I don't know. I'm kind of stupid when it comes to music software, other than FL Studio. Yeah. No, Sony did make Logic Pro, right? 4224 Fluke, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. We're just gonna. So yeah, if you're using the GIMP for art, you use Krita. Yeah. Hey, Krita is my jam. Krita is amazing. Although I'm not using it right now because I'm more used to the GIMP. But I love Krita. Krita is awesome. Krita is like much better for drawing tablets and stuff. Alrighty. Oh, that's alright. It's alright. Yeah, I just didn't want to sound like a complete idiot. Like, you know. So parallaxing basically frees you from the grid. And it kind of like allows you like full on free draw over everything. And so you want to turn on the grid, and you want to snap to the grid if possible as well. Hey, is it hard to create my own plugins? No, it is not. Matter of fact, I can actually show you how to make your own plugin right after well, I guess this wasn't really technically a question, so. If you want do you want the parallaxing question to become a Q&A thing, or do you just want me to move on to the plugin stuff? Sorry, but I must say. Oh, you said Sony again. Man, I'm dyslexic tonight. I'm tired. Yeah, absolutely. I don't know if you're able to send a link. Just replace the www with or just replace the .com with, I don't know, something, and I'll replace it myself. It's on itch, right? itch.io/. What's your itch page? One moment's together. Okay. Right here? That's it. Oh. Hey, I know that font. You got that from the Google Font API, right? Who decapitated Donald Duck and put wheels on his neck? Oh gosh. Poor Donald. No, I'm kidding. That looks cool. I'm getting some Chrono Trigger vibes here. The one where you were racing with the thing. And I genuinely thought he was flicking me the middle finger. Question 5. What is your name? Oh, that's uncanny. My name is No You. Yeah, it looks good. The art's really well done. The tiles are really well done. Not bad at all. Broken Golem you're still on Broken Golem. Oh gosh. Okay, so Nuno Monteiro. If you're still here, we will do your question about the plugins. And what kind of thing in particular were you thinking about creating? It's a parody of Donald Duck. It's parody. This is straight up murder, dude. I explain things up there. Oh, how are you doing? Okay, I see it. I'm blind. Still stuck on Broken Golem, but on a new part. Actually need to put some time into it. Oh, yeah, I need to actually put some time into it. All I've been doing is looking for a new pair of glasses. Playing video games. Research, I guess. Yeah, you can call it research. Video games are definitely research. His name is Dennis the Duck? What is that, like the love child between Donald Duck and Dennis the Menace? Dennis... Alrighty, since I guess Nuno is not replying, we will continue the little tutorial thing on tile hooker stuff. Alright, so what you want to do... Oh, there you go. Okay, cool. Got you. You're here. I was thinking create like my own menu. I know there's plugins, but I have a design, so it does not fit with the plugins. Okay, so that is one of the number one things that I probably enjoy doing. So let me, hold on. Let me just start. We'll start like right here. Now you have to forgive me, there are other stuffs as well that I've been working on here. That's, yeah. Dang it, I'm not used to, I need to put my second display up again. Alright, so now I'm just gonna open folder, and where in the world are anything? Project 1. So I'm not going to be using TypeScript or nothing like that to, so I don't like confuse you or whatever. So what you're going to want to do, you're not going to have all this stuff. You're not going to have all this random crap. So what you're going to want to do, Nuno, is download what's called Visual Studio Code, and I will go ahead and send you the link to it. VS Code. So go ahead and download this and run it. Are you winning, Sean Diamond Turtle? Holy crap, an ancient viewer, what up? Welcome to the stream, hope you enjoy your stay. Good to see you again. So yeah, when you have downloaded Visual Studio Code and installed it, let me know, and I'll tell you the next step. Also, what operating system are you using? Are you using Mac, Windows, or Linux? It'll be like a little bit different, but you should see like the controls all the same right here. On Mac, it's Command something else for the thing that I'm about to tell you. Good to see you as well. Good sir. There are other toon characters as well. You're using Windows? Okay, perfect. That's fine. Oh, the next question, I guess, is RPG Maker MV or MZ? Do you know how to put the files inside the program, so it's just a download and double click kind of game? Yes and no. It is a thorn in the rectum to do that with RPG Maker, but it is possible, but it wouldn't. It's really jank. Okay, so you're using MV. Got you. Let me go ahead and open up MV. I'm just thinking. I'm wondering if a turn-based system might be good with a strategy as well as a puzzle. Definitely puzzle. Q&A. You're using MZ Zilla? Nice. MZ is pretty good, but it's not worth the full price. Just studying and doing college apps. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Alrighty. Dude, see, that makes me feel like super old now, because I think like when you first were a viewer, you were like in 7th or 8th grade, and now you're going to college. Like that makes me feel old as heck. I feel ancient. I'm a grandpa, dude. It's installed? Alright. So you're going to want to hold Control and then press K and O. So hold Control, K, and then press O. And this will bring up the open folder thing. So what you want to do from here is navigate to wherever your project is. And in my case, it was... should be there. Why is it not? Is it here? No? What the crap? Hold on. Whatever, I'll just make a new one. What? Nani? Oh, that was MZ, duh. I'm stupid. This is in games. Anyway, so you're going to want to navigate to your game folder, and when you have all these files here, don't select any of them, but yeah, so you're just going to go to your game folder and click on select folder. And when that happens, you'll have all the stuff on the left. So what you want to do is you want to go to JS and you want to go to plugins. You're going to right click on plugins, click on new file, and you're going to name your plugin. So I'm just going to call it nunomenu.js. You do need the .js extension. So into RPG Maker back then, I was in middle, so I was early high school. When Api came out, I started losing interest for some reason. Oh, dude. It's so easy to get burnt out. So, Nuno, what you want to do here is... Alright, you might want to, like, refer back to the video a couple of times after this, because it might be a little bit to take in, but once you do get it, it's really not difficult at all. So, you want to do a /**, and that will automatically, and then you just press enter. That'll automatically create this little comment section here. RPG Maker MV and MZ use a weird type of, like, parsing thing, so you're going to want to do a / and star again, and a colon. Trust me, this is, like, the only awkward part. So, you just want to do this, and then press enter. And it should automatically create the closing thing. So if it looks like this, let me know. And if not, you try to get it to look like that. This is important for setting the information of the plugin. Probably because it is the version before MV, and then MV came out like a month later. Oof. Oof. That blows. Nice to see you're doing well. Any games released recently from you? Nope. I've been too busy like doing commissions or trying to get a job. And I might actually have one as a software engineer now. It's pretty cool. Junior software engineer at, well, I don't know if they, how they pronounce their name, but let me go ahead and, oh no, if I open up the email. Okay, and before doxing myself. Yay. It's not Hatchways. Hatchways is the company that I like had to. I don't know how to pronounce it though. Okay. It's so weird. Not like I don't want to like reveal anything. So it's like Televi. Anyway, I did the assessment thing. And I'm hoping it. Hey, Visca-chan, how are you? Ohayo gozaimasu. Alrighty. Oh, that's cool. Congratulations. I got a job recently, too. Then they fired half of our staff. Oh, my gosh. What happened? Like... Okay, I'm going to take a wild guess and say it's a kitchen job. Kitchen jobs do be like that. And then they complain that they don't have workers. Hello, Kelvin. Alrighty, so... Nuno. So what you want to do next is type an @ and then author. And then your whatever your name. Like you can do real name, you can do username, anything you want. And then @plugin DESC, no spaces. This is the description of your plugin. I'm a description, happy face. And once you save that, you go to here and you'll see your plugin is now selectable and you have your information here. I'm a description, happy face, Nuno menu. Nuno, thank you. Get out of here, y'all. Nobody wants a splash screen. No. Did I miss your last message? I'm playing RPG. Oh, I did. Sorry. Yeah, you're gonna have to like. You guys might have to like remind me to read something. Because I am out of it right now. I am really tired. I'm playing RPGs, and everything I have is too new. I want to be unique, but I guess in an area I like RPGs, everything has been done. In an area like RPGs, everything has indeed been done. Guerrero team, greetings, Anthony Brown. Oh my gosh, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Are you by chance related to Jim Browning? That'd be awesome. Okay. Currently working on a menu plugin as well. That's awesome. That's awesome. What's your menu about? Like, what sort of style are you going for? Like Final. I remember like the first time I ever did was a custom menu was like a Final Fantasy VII style menu, and it was really cool. That was back in RPG Maker XP days. Alrighty, so Nuno, next, you're gonna want to create what's called an IIFE. And it might sound confusing, but basically, it's a glorified code protector, if you will. And you can do so by doing function hold on, sorry. In between parentheses, you're going to type function, and then execute it at the end. So I'm just going to zoom in so you can copy that. Like, again, I know it sounds confusing, but once you get used to this, like, once you do it the first time, it immediately sticks, and it's not going to be confusing anymore. I promise you that. What this does is it allows you to create, like, stuff that can't be modified by another script very easily. So it kind of protects your code, but it also allows you to not have to be picky with variable names. As I remember trying to remake Pokemon on RPG Maker Speed. Oh yeah, the Pokemon Essentials. Let's go. Dang, that's some nostalgia. You forgot that? What? Oh, Rock Red. Oh yeah, Pokemon Essentials. Yeah, I know. It's so freaking good. Enter is not spacing. Oh, I know. I know. It do be triggering like that. I'm getting a commission for 2 characters of mine. For a person to draw. Yo. Am I getting sent? Might be getting something going very slowly. Dope. Heck yeah, man. That's what's up. Pokemon Fire Red Essential, so amazing. Dude, I am still impressed at how accurate they got that. Like, dude, they nailed the Pokemon style. They nailed it. It was so good. But the only thing that bugged me about Pokemon Essentials was, like, the fact that the battle menu, like, where it's all colored in, like, this weird dollar store knockoff way, and it just did not agree with me very well at all. But it was cool. We finally tried to find Mew underneath that truck. There wasn't a Mew. Oh, I know. All there was a potion. No, I'm kidding. There wasn't even a potion. All there was sadness. Vordaong, no. I will not .ong. You .ong, Mr. Rachel. And I just accidentally offended all my Russian fans. Great. What fans? I had no fans. It's actually insane how good it was. I don't remember the battle scenes. Oh yeah, dude, it was so good. But the battle menu, hold on, let me pull it up real quick. All right, so Nuno, let me know when you got that typed. I will try to. Oh, okay, cool. I got you. You're good. I just don't like want to get too far ahead of you and stuff. Let me look. See what I mean? Hold on. Let me find like a better. You gotta be careful when Googling anything Pokemon. You end up getting banned on YouTube. Now that looks really freaking good. Excuse me. Dang it. Can I just like find a picture of the battle system? Well, anyway, it was amazing. Like, the whole thing is incredible. If I had like that one nitpick, that would be it, is the battle system. Like, even this looks freaking amazing. I am scrolling down so cautiously right now. There we go. Yeah, don't Google Vaporeon. Yeah, definitely do not Google Vaporeon unless you are by yourself. So, yeah, look, incredible. Everything is down to the point. Except for the little gradient thing here, but whatever, I'm just nitpicking. This, please, for the love of all holy, this looks like everything looks so good. And then you get this, and it's like, it looks good, but it also, like, It feels dollar store, you know? Like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. Yeah, dude, right? It's so weird. And it sucks because, like, it's so good of an engine. I'm talking, like, fantastic. This engine's great, but then you got like the like dookie barrel. Oh well. All right, so Nuno, what you're gonna want to do. That colors though, I know, right? So hold on, let me read what you were saying about like what kind of menu you were thinking of creating. All right, so I guess what we'll do is that KFC? Oh, IFC. JFC. Sorry. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. And I cannot read kanji, but hello. Can you make Yu-Gi-Oh! Battle System through RPG Maker? Yes, you can. But should you? Yes, you should. All right, so I'm just going to come up with a quick menu design. I'm just going to show you how to edit the positions of the windows. All right, so what you're going to do, Nuno, is you're going to create a class, and then it's going to sort of overwrite the original scene menu. So how we're going to do that is quite simple. Scene menu equals class extends scene menu. I'm just going to go ahead and type this, and I'll let you type all that. Capital letters are very important here. This is an already existing scene, which you can find in the RPG_scenes.js or RMMV_scenes. Oh, you're good. It's Magic / Witcher's menu, something like that style. Like, I got you. So you got your portrait here, you got your items and all that. Well, in that case, what I need to do is show you not how to. Well, yeah, we'll just keep that. We'll just keep it there. So for this, we're gonna have to create multiple things. How can I show you this in a way that's not like an entire plugin creation thing? You mean like a ring menu? Are you talking like the portrait and all that? What kind of games besides RPGs can you make in this engine? Basically, Michael, as long as you know how to code in JavaScript, and basically anything Node.js, even like not just web based, but the whole thing actually runs on Node WebKit. Well, the standalone runs on Node WebKit. So as long as you know how to code in JavaScript, just about anything really. There's been a couple times where I thought about just tearing down the core of the engine and only using the editor for the database stuff. Yeah, you can do window selectable. Like you can do window command, window horizontal command. What do you mean though? Like you're asking like what is window selectable? Because window selectable is a subclass, or it's the core class that that both window command and window horizontal command, as well as I believe the status the window status also uses it. It's a critical part of basically anything that involves input that's in a window. Just be noted though, there is like next to zero documentation. Next to zero real documentation. You have a challenge for me? What's that? And yes, you can do a side scroller. It's not really recommended though. Like if you're gonna do a side scroller, I recommend just using like I don't know, anything. Oh, I was putting that because it seemed like the Witcher menu could be a big menu with some selectable menus throughout. Yep, pretty much. I don't know which one Nuno wants to do, though. Make a Doom clone with light RPG elements. Believe it or not, it has already been done. Let me show you. Google. Please don't get me banned, Google. Doom. This has been done a while ago on RPG Maker XP. I remember being impressed by this back in the day. Hold on. This might not be the one. Yeah, it is. This is the one. So they full on got ray tracing and, I mean, not ray tracing, ray casting and everything. It's awesome, dude. That turning be a little bit jank though. But it was a prototype, so. Private Pesselneck. I love your name. That's amazing. Private Pesselneck. Private Pesselneck. Like it's just some like general guy screaming. I can picture that. That's if I ever go to the military, I'm changing my name to Pesselneck because that is glorious. You can make a gothic style. Does not need to be exactly like the Witcher 3 menu. Gotcha. Okay. In that case, I'll just show you how to create some windows. So we're going to create a little window class here. We're just going to leave this right here alone for now. We are going to be using it, but not quite yet. I guess we'll just go ahead and type super here, though. All right, so let's see. What kind of style do I want to come up with? I guess we'll say... All right, how about this? How about this? We have a menu. Let's like do something really cool with it. Wow, that ended up exactly 72. That'll never happen again. All right, well, let's go ahead and stylize the F out of this. Blur. Let's do some distorts. Engrave's not going to do any good. What to do here? So I recommend coming up with a design like in an image editor and then coding it. I'm trying to think of something cool. Oh, that could be cool. Hold on, let's do that, and then like let's do glass tile. Yeah. No. No. All right, so now I'm just gonna take this. Anyway, for a few minutes here, I'm just gonna be kind of like dorking around with the thing here. Let's see. I want to get a cool background, so let's see. Dark anime wallpaper, because lol, everyone edgy. We'll use this as a base. We're not actually going to use this as the main image. We're just going to copy this. Plagiarism, ho. No. And since you said like a gothic style, so what we want to do is tile seamlessly here. Okay. First I need to, there's my size. There we go. Tile seamlessly. I'm just gonna like use this as a texture base. It's not gonna be the same picture. It's just the colors that I like. So we do. What kind of things should we do? Anyway, this isn't part of the tutorial. It's just mostly me not reading the chat apparently. Okay. Yeah, commission will help with something. It won't be colored, but she'll be made. I can imagine the colors if need be, you know? Yeah, that's true. I imagine you have a I imagine you have like a non-disclosure agreement with your commissioner, but if not, how much are you paying? Wish I could make RPGs. Yeah, me too. Kappa. I already read that though. So, story is interesting as well. Story is like the hardest part of all of it, in my opinion. Quick question: Is Epic Maker 2003? Yes, it is 100% good, but it is also extremely limited. For example, the graphics, you cannot go above 16-bit, and it won't even accept like 32-bit images. But 1,000,000,000%, yes, it is worth it because the eventing system plus the nostalgia factor, yes. So I have an actual question. Is there a way going to be to make an ammo system? Yes. Like a skill can only be used if you have X item. Yep, that is extremely possible, and I will show you how to do that right after this if I am not passed out tired. I'd be happy to show you that. Anyway, this isn't like really part of the tutorial. $20 each for the two of them. Oh, that's not too bad. I'm just like using, like I said, I'm just kind of coming up with a cool thing. Just trying to make it not garbage. Like, I don't want like a dollar menu. I want something cool. Yeah, it looks kind of cool right there. And then what we'll do is distort it one more time, and this time we'll use. Ooh, let's do a ripple effect. Nah. Ooh, hold up. Yo, this could work. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna take this, overlay it, I'm just gonna blend mode it. Oh yes, right. Oh, that right there. Okay, that's some swag. That sounded weird for a second there. So I want to add some texture to the top bar here, but first I want to go ahead and make sure we know right where our menus are gonna be. Welcome back, Nuno, if that's your real name. I don't believe it. Kappa. Alright, so you're gonna love this when we're done. I think. I hope. Let's do a newsprint on this one. Nope, that's not gonna work because it's just a black and white. Alright, let's try. Right now I'm just trying to do some cool. Oh, so Nuno, you ready to have your mind blown? Alright, mosaic. Let's do some mosaic up in here. Yeah, why not? Okay, we're gonna do that. P mosaic. Here we go. Now I'm gonna take that mosaic and I'm gonna mosaic some more. And by that I mean I have no earthly idea what else I want to make this look like. Let's do. Well, I guess we can always do. Heck, man. I don't know what else could make this look cool. Do kaleidoscope again. And whatever. We'll just do this, and I'll just I'll give it a medium blur. Ooh, that does look kind of cool. It's like snakeskinish. All right. Now, these menus here, we're gonna have to merge them. That, and then apply a sand-like look to them. Like that. Ew. I like that. Ooh. Ooh, yo. And now I'm going to select all of that and then blur the thing. So I'm just using this as a sort of visual base. Mine is probably going to be silly. Would it be possible to ride on a giant's shoulder or the back of a dragon? Yes. No, that's entirely possible. Private person, I guess. I just found a plugin. All right, so now I'm going to let's give it a Gaussian blur here. Gaussian, what? Yeah, so we're gonna use a Gaussian blur for this. Anyway, this looks kind of cool. I'll stop here because otherwise I will continue to go on forever trying to make this awesome looking menu come to life. Ooh, hold up, that looks kind of good too. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna save this menu BG, and we're gonna save it in the games. You're gonna save it in your image, and I'll put it in system. Menu underscore bg.png. So once you have your background for your menu, we will go ahead and add it. So we don't need to initialize. Hey Trico, what up? Welcome to the stream, bud. Hope you enjoy your stay. All right. Now. Okay, I'm going to use scene title for this, but you can use scene menu. I don't think we're going to be... No, we can use the original. Yeah, we can... Well, screw it. Screw it. We'll just do that. Because otherwise, I'll end up spending like 8 hours. That really did look good. Thank you. Appreciate that. But yeah, I gotta just go ahead and do this because I'll be spending like hours and hours and hours. So Treecode, that is a topic that I will have to talk to you about after the stream. I will get on Discord and let you know. But it's not good. He's okay, he's alive, but it's not good. It's a pretty bad situation, to be honest with you. Anyway. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let me take a look at... Let me see the functions here. We'll just do start, so... super.start, which is calling the old method. Yeah. He is alive. I don't really want to drop a bombshell or anything in the chat, in the stream right now, but yeah. It's really not good. I'll explain later though. Anywho, so we're going to create the background element now, Nuno, and this is going to be done like this. We're going to say this dot cool bg equals new sprite. No, don't let it auto-correct you. It's really annoying when it does that. New bitmap, but it's awesome when it works. No, not new bitmap, sorry. Image manager dot load system. Capital letters are very important, so I will zoom in once I'm done typing this so you can copy it. And we're going to say menu bg without the .png. Now, this dot add child, this dot cool bg. Now let me just test this to see if it's working before, because it might add the background before or after. Okay, there it is. Yeah, awesome. All right, but you'll see like all our other steps hidden, and that's okay because we're gonna shift all that stuff around later on. Let me go ahead and take a look at the menu base thing so I can override the alias for that. Create background. So yeah, we're just gonna do this instead. All right, I will pause right here. Nope, I'm about to read it now, Data. You got $40 for Christmas, so you know what you you know, working with that. Heck yeah, work with what you got, right? And $20 is not bad at all. $20 is a pretty good. Is a pretty good price. I actually send you a TS file, and I wondered if you could look it over. It's over a month's worth of work. Yeah, I'll look it over. You want me to do it on stream, or is it like too private? Okay. In that case, I'm done showing off the menu creation thingy. I will show off your code. It's an open source project. You're an open source project. But yeah, I'll take a look. Send me your TS config file as well, so that I can look it over without any error. Well, I can always just put TS ignore or TS no check, so that I'm not spammed with errors. So, capital S in Sprite, image manager. If you can't see if the quality is not good enough to see a capital letter, let me know, and then I'll let you know which ones are like caps and whatnot. Gotcha. Dope. Alrighty. So by putting that here and saving, if you playtest with your plugin enabled, go to your menu. You have a background now for your menu. But what we're going to do is something a little special. We're going to get rid of all this hot garbage. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is relocate. Yep, pretty much Rakarash. That is correct. We are overriding the default menu. And that's mostly because I want to save some time. But if this was me just, like, say, making my own plugin or doing like a commission or whatever, something that I would spend a little bit more time on, I would just go all original. I wouldn't use any of like the default trash. It's not really trash, but yeah, I wouldn't use any of the default stuff. So what we're going to do is just going to get the coordinates of this little square here. In this case, it's at 25, 145. Okay, so in the create command window, right? Yeah. You're very welcome. So we're going to say this dot command window dot x equals, what was it now? 25. This dot command window dot y equals 45. I think it was, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and copy that. Well, let me see if it works first. I don't want to have you like copying code that doesn't do anything. All right, yeah. So that's working just as we thought. Can't really do anything about the width, so I would have to like re-edit the image. So it's gonna be like a little bit off for me, but that's okay. And then this dot command window dot opacity 0. So let me know when you've copied that, and then I want you to play test it to see if it's working right. And if you get any errors, then it's probably just a typo, like a capital letter missing or something like that. Which is essentially like a web page. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. I know. It really irks me. Like, But thanks to WebGL, it's not so bad. It is a web application. That's exactly what it is. Yeah. That is exactly what it is. But thankfully, there are some compilers and stuff. What? No. So prototype is the old method of accessing like a class value and defining a class value. It's like a programming thing. Okay, do you think it's bad that I'm thinking of making them draw basically the same character but in different clothes? No, that's fine. Okie dokie. I think it's cool, especially people extend with other JS libraries. Let the blow commence indeed, good sir. Also, I just recently heard about Web 3. That's going to be interesting. I always wondered if p5.js could be used with LibreMaker to any good effect. Coding form is a bit off. You should space out your brackets at the beginning. Oh, normally I do. I'm just... There we go. Normally I do. Now, actually, this isn't even the way that I normally code. Hold on, let me show you like a way that I code. So for me, instead of this, I would actually do a double async. Hold on. I would actually do a double async IIFE, and I would actually return the other async IIFE. And this is because the memory management and stuff is, I mean, it looks jank, but the memory management is pretty good. What do you mean? They should line up. Oh, so you're talking like C++ style? Was very anal about that back in high school. Oh, dude, yeah, teachers do be like that. They can be, but honestly, I feel like you should, choose something that you like and imagine memory. I know it's super jank. Memory management in JavaScript is super jank. Okay, it's working normally. Good. Yes, Kyle. Dang, dude, Russian bots are everywhere now. Alrighty, so once it's working, especially since JavaScript is based off C++, it is, but at the same time, it's branched so far away from that. It's sort of similar, not really. I mean, even in JavaScript now, you do have like 8-bit integers and stuff like that, but it's in the form of arrays. So you could say it would say like const my 8-bit var equals new int 8 array 2 0 whatever, something like that. You can just immediately make an 8-bit variable, but that's trash, and I really don't recommend that. Especially because you can override it that way, and I don't ever recommend doing that. This is useful if you're like making a little, like a buffer. MV Trinity has a memory leak, perhaps the same one as MV, and the switch will get very slow running MVT. For real? A doo-doo. Alright, so now we're going to modify this thing. We are going to create a custom window as well, and you'll see it's going to look smexy when we're done. So we're going to say like the height of the window, the menu actor command. So we go to Windows. Okay, so then this is created. Why did that? This is created here, created actor command window. Okay. So I'm just going to type this out as usual, and you can follow along. I'll go ahead and type it, and then you can... I refuse to use prototype. I refuse to use prototype. Some basic character, 2 characters, so you think? Yeah, yeah, it's good. It's good to do that because it adds diversity to the character. It adds more of a, wow, this actually feels like a character thing to it. Was that English? I don't have the PS4 version, but I have after a long time because of PS4 and PS5. More resources than a Switch to begin with. Yep, they do. So Michael, I swear I've seen your name on Twitter at some point. Wait, you're that software engineer guy, right? The one that replied to me a while back? I swear your name is, like, immensely familiar. Okay, you need to go to bed soon, Trigo? If I paid you some money soon, could you go through some JavaScript tutorials with me in RPG Maker JavaScript Wise? Haven't used it since high school. 8 years ago. Oh yeah, JavaScript has evolved to a great extent. But yeah, so Michael, send an email to that, and then like just discuss the details with me, and then I'll get back to you on it. Places in college, right? Pursuing bachelor's, but we're using Python right now. Oh, dude, Python's really good. It's also an interpreted language though, like JavaScript is, but the interpreted languages used to get hate, but now they're not so bad, especially considering how fast machines are. But one thing JavaScript sucks anus at is loops. Like I'm talking mad trash at loops. Python sucks? You suck. Let's see, it's a different clothes. Isn't the same character or design? Yeah, no, that's fine. As long as it's not just like a color swap, then it's it's done. Got you. Okay, so what we're gonna do? This dot command window dot height divided by equals 2. So we're gonna do that, and I don't really recommend this normally, but this is just like a quick way to sort it so that it only displays 2. Matter of fact, okay, Nuno, how many characters do you have? Like, do you have a multi-party system, or are you just using like one main character? Because if you're just using one main character, we can do something fire, do something super cool. But yeah, okay, I got you. So we're gonna put this on hold for a second and go over Trico's code. Trico, since you're mod. I don't want to open Discord because I have client information on there, but also some of my friends like to post very, very inappropriate stuff, and I don't want to accidentally get myself banned. So if you can post a link to the TS file in the chat, that would be fantastic. Fruity Loops. Python is weird, but I had to learn of it to make a Blender plugin. And it's not so bad. It's not. It's really not. It's not super difficult to learn. There's a lot of... Just like with C++, there's a ton of libraries for it. All right, guys, here we go. In before virus. Look, virus. All right, Discord boilerplate. Let's go. And that's your... I don't need the thing like I thought I would, because I'll just do this. Hold on. To get rid of the errors, I'm just going to TS no check it. So Trico, if you wanted to get rid of your errors, you can type TS no check at the very top, and it'll ignore all stuff like missing declarations and all that. I got you. All right, I look forward to it, Michael. So you put a full-size character image in the menu. Yep, indeed you can, and it be looking smacks. It be looking awesome. I'll show you all about that. Start yourself as one character, but some characters will help in some battles. Are you going to be able to access those characters through the menu? Yo, look at all these bots right now, though. I mean, like, what are they even typing? Like, everyone here has more than one brain stem. Like, brain cell, not brain stem. If you have more than one brain stem, that's impressive. Everyone here has, like, more than one brain cell, so they're not going to be like, oh, I'm going to go to this mysterious site. Come on. So stupid, dude. All right. Okay. REST API. Okay. We got a message handler there. Looks good so far. Export class Discord instance. Okay, so this is a module. This is a Discord module. It looks like. Have Discord. Go ahead, a people sad face. Hey, no, you're good. You're good. You're fine. That's, it do be like that sometimes. Just my character on the menu? Okay, you're going to love what we're going to do then. first I got to go over Trico's code. I like the cleanliness of it. I think bots are like everywhere these days. They are. But like, who makes the bot and thinks, oh, I'm just gonna have it like post this very sketch link with no description whatsoever, just advertise this extremely sketchy link that they have to manually type in. What? Yeah, I'm gonna click the link. I'm gonna get like a freaking dime nickel thing. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, this right here triggers me. This right here is. Oh no, this is irking me. Something Pierce. Discord instance. No. Just let me fix that for you there, please. Thank you. That's just a little nitpick, though. So, yeah, it's looking good so far. It's a type of Discord. Yeah. I like the JS docking that you got going on here. Smexy. I recommend... No, this is sexy. This is exactly the way I would do this. This is nice. Your dream stat online. Yeah, thank you, bot. I will definitely. You know what? I'm not even gonna ask anyone to ban or just to get rid of those messages because nobody's stupid enough to type it. I mean, let's be real. And if they are stupid enough to type it, they probably should learn about computers and learn about common sense. But anyway, a REST POST API application commands JSON body JSON. Golly, it's a lot of code. Hold on, let me zoom out real quick. Okay, yeah, looking real good. Let's run my formatter through it real quick though. Okay, we're very well formatted actually. So, loving the use of the arrow functions here. So for those who don't know, arrow functions basically, what am I explaining that for? Like, unlike a regular function, it doesn't contain itself. So you can't use like this dot value in a arrow function. You can only do that in a standard function. An arrow function allows you to avoid all that stuff and access the internal, like other internal values and stuff. So whatever, I'll go over that later. Okay, so delete from cache. Okay, I like it. Just my little nitpicking. I'll stop though. Trico, this is really good. Like, how long you say this was? The same because they're like clones. It's hard to explain, but literally alternative universe ones. Yeah, that should be okay to do. That should be okay to. I don't know about like paying like full cost for another entire new character. Like, you know, maybe talk with them. A month's worth. That's really good, man, for a month. Equal. What is deep? Oh yeah, deep equal. What is deep equal? It sounds lewd. Trico, this is incredible. And this is like, yes, that's the kind of coding I like to see. That is nice. Alrighty, so, Nuno. Now, since you're using the, since you're using the thing like where you only have one character, we're actually going to do this, visible equals false. So we're going to make that invisible. Excuse me. I said we're going to make that invisible. Oh. No, wrong thing. Okay, window actor command, and this was, yeah. And I'm just going to go ahead and type some more stuff real quick. I guess we'll do... Yeah, we'll do it this way. So I'm just going to pretend like this actor 1-7 here is our MC. What the hooker? That's some black magic, sorcery, wizardry crap, dude. Anyway, so if you have a portrait here, I'm just going to be, you know what? We'll draw a portrait. We'll draw a portrait. Let's do it. Let's frickin' do it. Alright, so I'm about to show y'all my amazing art skills. Try not to be too jealous now, alright? Prefer to use the file if you wish about that. I might actually, yeah, because I might make a Discord bot soon. We're gonna have like this epic like background, and then this is like this bootleg budget character. Oh man, this is gonna be beautiful. But yeah, let's say you do have your portraits. Yes, thank you. I needed that. I do need to be blessed because this curse drawing here is gonna be nightmare fuel. But I have to go. Alrighty. You have a good night. Yeah, that's my thought. I'll do one of the clones and then different character to my favorite. But what clone? Everyone pick a number 1 to 2, please. I got you, fam. I got you. Watch this. This is how you do this. Dagnabbit. Is it always going to be? Oh, no. Okay, it is. Yeah. All right, so it landed on 1 first. So there you go. Alrighty, so. Dot 2, 3. Yes, that. Actually, no, let's do pi backwards. Or, pi backwards, what? Pi divided by 2. 1.5 onion. Onion just makes me think of Swampy Shrek Butt Crack. Huh. That's what this guy's name will be. His name is Swampy Shrek Butt Crack. He's giving a little thumbs up. No, he's holding an onion ring. That's what he's doing. All right. So yeah, because I suck at art, this is going to be our little portrait. Now, what should his real name be, guys? Come on. He's got to have a name. Should it be Jeff? Kef? Kef. Yes, it's Kef. His name is Kef. Wait, where did I even save him to? Did I save him in system? I did. You know what? Kef is a system image. So that's one siren. That's to the C. Does it need to be an integer? No. Integers don't really exist. They're just floats and doubles lying to themselves. Alright. It works for this. Alright, so we're going to create the little dude now. And this is going to be cool dude extend sprite. Class, not const. constructor, bitmap, super, bitmap. And the reason we're doing it this way is because we're going to add a little window element as well. This, let's say class, cool dude, window, extends, window base, constructor, xy width, height, super xy width, height. So let me know when you type that. Hold on, there you go. So, oh, sorry. Kef interrupted the... Everyone type 1 in the chat if Kef is your spirit animal. Kef is my spirit animal, so I'm just going to spam 1. Remember to stay hydrated. Done? Alrighty. Now, let's see if we can get Kef to display on the screen. We're going to say this.kef, which you wouldn't name him this, but you can name it portrait or whatever the heck you want to call the variable. Just make sure you got Keef. No, that sounds too much like queef. All right, anyway, just make sure you memorize the name of your variable. So this.kef equals new cool dude. And we're going to say image manager.load system. And then if you have them in your pictures folder, you would say image manager.load picture instead, and then the name. So I have them in the system folder though, so I'm using load system. So when you type that, we're going to say this.addChild, this.kef. Now let me verify that this works before asking you to type it out. Kef is not there. I am sad. Where's Kef? And why is this not invisible? This should be invisible. Okay, hold on now. What is going on? Is this updating? It's not updating at all. Why is it not updating? What? What the crap? Does this just not work? All right. Oh, that's stupid. All right. I am not smart. I named the wrong thing. Told you I'm tired. Okay, where is scene menu? Let me find you. Oh my gosh, they're terrifying. There we go. Status window, that's what it is. So status window. That's why it wasn't working. So we're just gonna replace the create command with or window actor command with that. And this is going to be status window. Now it should work. Get rid of the... Kef distracted me. Kef's like, no, I did. There he is. There's Kef. Alright. Kef is in the house, yo. Kef is gonna make Kef stuff happen. He's gonna keep it real. So yeah, I'll let you go ahead and type the things that we have here. So create status window. All of this is highlighted basically. Just type that. And verify that it works. Yeah, Siren explain, but oh yeah, goddesses of the seas do be like that. They do be. And my brain hurts, but it always hurts. Wait, what brain? I ain't got a brain. It done got destroyed. But Kef's bringing it back. Kef is reviving the brain. Because Kef be cool. Gotcha. All right, cool. So you can relocate the portrait like this by putting this.kef.x equals, let's say, where do we want to put him? Let's take a look at our referencing here. We'll put him right here. So that's at position 522 and 110. I don't recommend doing it this way, but this is one way to do it though. So .x and .y are your locations. So to do that, you will see that he will relocate. Now I am getting like extremely tired, so we will continue this during the next thingy, but I won't let you just like go without anything complete. So what you can do is take a look at scene menu in the RPG_scenes.js thing, and everything you see here scene menu prototype, you can overwrite by doing the same thing here. So the name of it, and then super dot the name of it. So you can see how they do their stuff. They got the gold window here. This _gold window goes new window gold. So if you wanted to move the gold window, all you would do, window create gold window, super dot create gold window, like that. That's it. And then you would just do gold window.x equals whatever x position, and then gold window.y is equal to 0. And then if you want to make it transparent, we can do opacity. What's he barking at? Alrighty. Alrighty, you have a good night, data leaders. So yeah, I'll let you just go ahead and get used to that kind of thing. And by the next time, if you haven't figured out how to do the rest of it by yourself, which, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised because, coding is confusing at first, you're very welcome. But yeah, we will definitely continue this because I am now interested. And Kef wants to be complete. Kef demands to be complete. But yeah. Poor Kef, dude. Alrighty, you guys have a good night. Thank you all for watching this stream. Bye. I am live. What are you talking about? Freaking herpy dumpster. Stop. All right. Bye, guys.